The supply and demand dynamic of Bitcoin is heavy on the demand, but the supply side of the equation is hitting some unusual and bullish records, which could be indicative of things to come. So the on-chain analytics firm Glassnode has flagged that Bitcoin is increasingly finding its way into the hands of those who won't sell it. In a recent report, they wrote, "We analyze Bitcoin entities and classify them into one of three liquidity categories: highly liquid, liquid, and illiquid. Our methodology suggests that currently 14.5 million BTC, 78% of the circulating Bitcoin supply, is held by illiquid entities." Our markets guy at Cointelegraph, William Suberg, also highlighted that the 30-day rolling increase of illiquid supply has jumped by 180,000 BTC. That's the most since December 2022, which was the depths of the bear market. Bitcoin was around $16,000, not six figures like today, where far more people are in profit. For reference, Glassnode also showed that the highly liquid supply of Bitcoin is around 3 million BTC, and the liquid supply is around 1.2 million BTC. So the number of coins completely off the table absolutely dwarfs the number of coins that are available. If I had to guess, I would say that this is primarily driven by the insatiable hunger of institutions for Bitcoin, particularly corporations that are trying to mimic the strategy-style Bitcoin treasuries. Bitwise showed that in April, 100,000 BTC, or thereabouts, was bought by corporations. Now, Strategy is of course the king of that play, with 568,000 BTC in its coffers at the time of recording, worth about $60 billion. And yet, Bitwise found that of that 100,000 BTC bought by corporations in April, Strategy only accounted for 26.3%. So the vast majority is happening elsewhere and somewhat quietly. So with 78% of Bitcoin locked away and corporate and institutional appetite surging, Bitcoin's price isn't just a number, it's a pressure valve.